0G dehumidifier removes excess moisture in your home caused by high humid conditions, giving you a more dry and comfortable air. Before you start using the product, keep in mind that the product operates at temperatures from 41 degrees Fahrenheit to 90 degrees Fahrenheit. Avoid using the product outside this temperature range, for water may freeze inside the product or the product may overheat. Also, the product may increase room temperature by about 5 degrees Fahrenheit. If you turn off the product and immediately restart it, it will take up to 3 minutes before the product begins to dehumidify. This is normal and necessary to protect the product. To start dehumidifying, press power to turn on the product. The display will show the current humidity level between the range of 25 to 90%. Press the up and down buttons to adjust your desired humidity setting in the range of 30 to 80%. The display shows the desired humidity level and after 5 seconds reverts to the current humidity level. Make sure to set the desired humidity level below the current humidity level. Press the fan speed button to select either a high or low speed. Using the timer function allows you to set the product to automatically shut off after a fixed amount of time. You can set it to 1 to 12 hours. The product will turn off once the timer expires or if the water bucket is full. In order to avoid the water bucket filling up before the timer ends, it's recommended to empty the water bucket before setting the timer. To disable the timer, repeatedly press the timer button until 12 appears and press once more. The safety standby light turns on after 23 hours of continuous operation. For 1 hour, the product will temporarily shut off to prevent product malfunction and will automatically resume operation. The bucket full light turns on when the water bucket is full. Remove the water bucket, empty the water, and replace the water bucket. The check filter light turns on after 350 hours or 15 days of continuous operation. Check the filter and clean it if necessary. After cleaning the filter, press and hold the filter reset button for 3 seconds to reset the operating time back to 0 hours. The auto defrost function turns on automatically to remove any frost in the product caused by cold temperatures. During this function, the compressor will stop. Wait for the auto defrost cycle to end and the auto defrost light will turn off and the product will resume. Before you empty the water bucket, turn off the product and unplug it. Pull the top handle of the water bucket to remove it from the product. If you notice that water is dripping, remove it with a soft cloth. Remove the cover and pour out the water. Put the cover back on. Replace the water bucket into the product. Make sure to angle the bottom and then push the top into place.